If you are looking for the best portable air conditioner, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started.
At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals.
Number 1. Most popular. Frigidaire FFPH1222U1 Portable Air Conditioner. While there are clearly times when air conditioning performance means most, there are others when a good design trumps functionality. And that's where the Frigidaire FFPH1222U1 wins out. The compact device comes with an attractive charcoal finish and can be easily moved from one place to another. And with help from its remote control, you can easily adjust settings without getting up. It delivers 12,000 BTU performance, which is good enough for a 500 square foot room, and it can dehumidify up to 3.3 pints of liquid in the air per hour. It even features auto swing louvers to efficiently move air throughout the home. Number 2. Black Plus Decker BPACT10WT Portable Air Conditioner. The Black Plus Decker BPACT10WT is all about keeping things as quiet as possible. While it features 10,000 BTU performance for rooms of between 150 and 250 square feet, it's designed to blunt unwanted noise and comes with a sleep mode to be especially quiet at night. Better yet, it's designed to be bucket-less, so it'll evaporate the condensation from the air conditioner without needing you to dump water out. The device has a filter you can clean twice a month to keep your air fresh. Number 3. hOmeLabs Portable Air Conditioner. The hOmeLabs Portable Air Conditioner is one of the most powerful options in this roundup with 14,000 BTU performance. According to the company, it can cool up to a 600 square foot room with ease. You can set your desired temperature on the air conditioner. But if you want to keep things quiet at night, activate its eco-friendly sleep mode to ensure it only turns on when the room gets too hot. Best of all, the hOmeLabs air conditioner features remote control and a washable air filter, so you can ensure you're only breathing in the fresh air. Number 4. SereneLife SLPAC10 Portable Air Conditioner. This device offers 10,000 BTU performance to cool a room of up to 450 square feet, but as one Amazon reviewer said, it's so powerful, it's more like 12,000 BTUs. Quote, "It has 3 cooling modes, including one that cools, another that dehumidifies, and one that pushes air around with its fan. At just under 3 feet tall and 13 inches wide, it's compact, and the SereneLife air conditioner comes with a remote, so you don't need to get up and down to change modes. It's a fine device for general purpose use." Number 5. Whynter Arc 14S Portable Air Conditioner. If you don't mind spending significantly more than our top-rated option for outstanding air conditioning performance, pick up the Whynter Arc 14S Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. The device has an impressive 14,000 BTU and can cool a 600 square foot room with ease. Better yet, it can dehumidify an impressive 101 pints of water per day from your home. And if you're concerned about air quality, it has a washable pre-filter and activated carbon air filter to keep your air fresh. The Whynter air conditioner has a temperature setting between 61 degrees Fahrenheit and 89 degrees Fahrenheit.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.